Hey there. It's kind of a cool, damp day, so let's review some sleigh bells. All right. First off, all right. Second, and third. So the first we've got this looks to be a cosmic percussion sleigh bells, kind of generic, good sound, but nice and bright. You just have to lay them flat, which can be an issue setting them down when you set them down in the orchestra. After that, we've got Grover, and these are very nice, really bright, and it's nice they have a stand here where you can just set it down when you're done playing. The bells swirl around for a little bit, causing a little extra noise, but I don't think in an ensemble application that would really be very noticeable at all, if any. They're very nicely made. Then the third is Beetle Percussion, and these are brass bells as compared to the steel of the other two. The sound is really nice and dark, and you can lay them down just on the table. The only issue I have is the whole mechanism here. This whole support block is solid wood, and so it's actually a bit heavier. So I don't know if I had to play for like a very sustained time like this, if this would be my choice, just because it's going to get heavy. Both of these are similar and lightweight. This one especially is lightweight and easy to use. Hope this was helpful, and enjoy sleigh bells, people.